Hi everybody, so I'm back and got a couple things to tell you. So I decided to cut what I didn't like off. So I cut this off, I cut this off, and I cut some of the bottom off. And now it's a lot smaller, yes, but I like it. So I'm actually going to mount it on some foam board with some glue. It's a bit of an odd size to frame. It's like, I can't remember what it was, 10 and a half. Yeah, 10 and a half by 9. So that would have to be a custom frame, which I don't know that I want to spend the money on, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, and I kept a piece of it as a bookmark. Oh no, this was a piece from the surfboard one. I tried cutting that up to see if I liked it, but it didn't work. I ended up throwing it in the garbage, which is where it was destined for anyway. I also coated this with a special coating that holds the diamonds in place. So this is what I ended up with. But I just got back from Michael's where I purchased this. So let me widen this out a little bit, see if you can see more of it. Okay, there we go. Now you get to see everything else I have on my coffee table. Anyway, I really liked this. It's like a Caribbean ocean with fish, a bit of coral, and a sunset. And this is actually the beads, I'm hoping, actual photographs. So it looks like, even though it's made in China, it looks like it was made by a company that isn't employing colorblind employees. Or there's some kind of quality control because it's for Michael's. I don't know. But anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so it's all nicely contained in a bag. And it's rolled, which is nice. My other one was folded flat, so it had a lot of wrinkles in it. But this one doesn't look like it's going to have any wrinkles. Now, the first diamond art that I did, I kept this plastic cover in place and then I just cut pieces of it off. The second one, I took the plastic right off and I covered it with parchment paper, and I actually really liked that a lot. So there's way more colors here. We have 46 colors. And the canvas is a much heavier duty canvas than the ones I've been working on so far. And this is obviously a lot bigger, like way bigger. So let's have a look at the drills and see if we were lied to. So they come in the heat sealed pack. Oh, they're their own colors. I wish they were the DMC colors. I thought they would be the DMCs, but they're not. Which is weird because, oh no, they are the DMCs. Okay, great. They just don't have the DMC color on here. You have to go over here to see what it is. Okay, well that makes me happy. Oh look, there's more of the green. There's never enough of the green. Anyway, I don't see lots of ugly dark brown in here. Yay. There's obviously some brown for the coral, and there's black for the fish. There's nice dark green. Lots of Caribbean water blue colors, which I like. It's all the ocean here, I guess. Boy, there's not very many of those. I hope there's enough. Feels like a very big canvas to have not so many ocean colors. Oh, here's a whole bunch. Okay. So yeah. Yay! Obviously I am obsessed. I'm still thinking about buying the custom ones. I'm a little nervous about doing that, to be honest, just because they're so expensive. Okay, let's see what else comes with this. Oh, one of these cheap pens, but at least it has like the holder on it, but I'll never use that. Wax, which I'm not going to use because I absolutely love the plug-in air vacuum one. It is phenomenal. Oh, that's kind of tiny. I got a bigger one today in the mail that I ordered from Temu, so now I have two big ones, which is nice. Bunch of little bags. Oh, you know what else I'll show you? Let me just go grab it. So for my leftover drills, I bought this on Temu. It's a little binder that came with a ton of plastic bags, like a ton of them. And then I numbered some of them that I'm not even using because it came with this paper, but all the ones in here were falling off and sticking to each other. So I was like, I need to save those. So I used them right away, even though I didn't have any drills for them. But yeah, you can put your drills in plastic bags and then slip them into here. And so I thought this is a cool way to keep all my leftover drills. So that's how I will keep them. And I wish it came with more pages. I'm gonna see if I can order, I mean, this is a Temu thing, so I don't know if you can order more pages, but I think I'm going to need them eventually. But anyway, so that's what I bought to store leftover drills in. And I really, really like it. I think it's a great way to be able to find your colors quickly and very compact way of storing them. All right, so now I guess I get to, what's the phrase? I don't know, I was learning the phraseology off of somebody else's YouTube video yesterday for all the different phrases used, because I was like, what is a WOP? Like, we're gonna do a WOP or something, and it's a work in progress. And so I found out all the jargon, but I can't remember now what it's called when you are kind of kitting up, like you're getting ready, all the stuff decanted. So what I'm doing again is I bought this kit on Temu, and this is always going to be my working kit. So all the drills that I am using will go here numbered. And this is the kit that came, or this is the tray that came today, which had a spot for wax when I thought I would be using wax. But I'm not going to be using wax because I also bought this. It came today. I love that color. It's sparkly too, which I really am glad it came with this because I need that. And then it came with like all the heads to do, you know, like when you're doing multiples, which I did try doing multiples and I wasn't impressed. I might try again, give it a go and see. I'm not sure what this is for. And then a little magnifying glass, but I work with a lighted magnifying glass that's on an arm. I couldn't do this without that magnifying glass. My eyesight would no way. I just couldn't do it. So I work with a magnifying glass to place every single crystal. So yeah, I'm going to now decant all my colors and label them, and then I'll get started. Oh, and this was a $19.99, this kit. Not this, but the Michael's Diamond Art. It was $19.99, and I had a coupon for 30% off, so I paid $13.99, and then with tax, it came to just over $15, which is so annoying. You know, the older I get, the more annoyed I get about paying tax. I already paid tax on that income, and then you pay tax on it again when you spend it. It's just infuriating. Anyway, I'm just noticing there's some interesting symbols here. Like instead of alphabet for everything, there's lines and arrows and squiggly lines. That's gonna be new for me. A little plus sign. I haven't seen that before. But then again, I've only done 2 of them and they were both Temu junk. So, you know, I'm just gonna add, as I'm thinking about decanting all these into the little containers and labeling them all, this does not come with a set of labels like I've seen other companies provide, where you can just peel and stick it right to your container. So that means I have to use this to figure out what number and symbol is, what color goes with each number and symbol. Because right now all that's on here is like 01. There's no A and there's no 301. So I have to use this and then translate it. And I all of a sudden realized there are letters of the alphabet, but of course, you know, there's only 26 letters in the alphabet. So, and there's 46 colors. So that's why there's all these symbols. Yeah, that's kind of a ridiculous mistake I made, but I realized as I was looking down here, I'm like, oh yeah, right, there's only 26 letters in the alphabet. Of course, they would need to come up with something else. Anyway, yeah, I am disappointed that this doesn't contain the little peel and stick numbers to put on your container. So I'm going to be writing all this down. Anyway, I will, I'll get back to you when I get started and I'll let you know how it's going. Toodaloo.